How to fix static noise in Bluetooth headphones in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Reduce wireless interference. Many devices operate within the same frequency band as Bluetooth headphones. This can sometimes cause signal interference, resulting in static noise and stuttering. Limiting this interference can often improve audio quality. Fix 2. Troubleshoot Bluetooth. Windows includes a built-in troubleshooter for Bluetooth that can identify and help resolve any technical issues. Certain settings related to audio output in your Windows system can affect the performance of Bluetooth headphones. Here you can adjust volume levels, balance, and other settings. Make sure the volume levels are appropriate, and there is no balancing bias to one side, as it may affect the audio performance. If you see an Enhancements tab, try disabling all enhancements, as they sometimes can cause problems with specific devices. Fix 4. Reset Bluetooth headphones. Sometimes, resetting your Bluetooth headphones can resolve temporary issues that might be affecting the connection and causing static noise.